Well, we're going to put a starter on. And the first thing is to take the shroud off so we can see what we're doing. So I've taken most of the bolts out. There's only a few of these screws that go in. It's cold. I'm outside working in the unheated shed, and so my fingers are not too good. But it shouldn't be too hard. Alright. We'll pull the hood off. We have to unhook the electrical wires. And then this thing. I'll go over there and see what I'm doing. Snow blew in my shed here. Starter's on this side. I got this and it wouldn't turn over, and I fixed it. And anyway, the last time I tried to start it was, well, it hasn't started good. I thought it was a starter, but I ended up melting the solenoid, and so I ordered a new starter for $50 and a new solenoid. Now there's two on the front, and they're a different size wrench, probably a 3/8. Let's see if my fingers are... I have an electric heater sitting here that blows a little bit. Little heat, not much. And maybe this one out in front. Nope. That's a 3/8. So maybe a half. 7/16 is too big. Let's see what we got. That's a 7/16. Alright. Alright, it was a, well, 10 works. 10 millimeter. Let's see here. We'll move around so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just taking off the cowl. Right there is another one, and then the gas pump is in there. Fingers are pretty well froze up. Let's see what we got here. Might be good enough. I'll take the camera over to the where the starter is. Side of that yellow, here's the starter. Taking the battery out, taking the wires off, and then I'll stick this up a little bit. So the starter has two bolts. Let me go get the new starter and I'll show you. See, there's two holes on the top of this new starter, and that's what holds it into the, let me set this down, holds it into the thing, just these two here. I guess it works, it just feels a little loose. That one's tight. There it comes. And hooked to that is the oil fill tube too, so I'll remember that. Looks like just these two and the wire is all I need. Be nice to get a heated garage someplace. Got enough buildings on the farm here, but none of them are really. They were for machine sheds, mostly. Didn't bring my reading glasses to see what I'm doing. Yep, the starter's loose, so that's it, I guess. I should have a socket, my goodness. When I got this, the engine was stuck. Mostly the coils had kind of rusted to the flywheel, and probably the cylinder piston was in there, but it came loose real easy after I took the coils off. Squirrels had filled it all, packed it full of crap in the outside of the engine, but not inside the cylinder. Okay, so we take these two bolts. Feels like something else still holding it. Put them in my cup, my Green Bay Packers special Coke cup, or whatever. Yeah, Coke. Okay. There it is. 1999 314 0015 32098804. It's 11/25/14. This is about a 2006. So they put on a starter already once. Huh. So I'll get mine out, see if it looks like the same thing. Oh, mine doesn't have a plate on there that says what it is. It says made in Taiwan. Well, it looks like the same thing. One of the things they talk about is how many gears on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's a good sign. So, goes like this. We'll put the one without the oil thing first. Oh, look at the nuts. Still packed in that engine trim. I didn't get under behind the starter and clean it. Maybe that's what was wrong. Starter was all nuts. I can't see where it goes unless I get down on my hands and knees and study it. Whoop. I guess I could have got it off without taking that shield out of there. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing. I think it's starting. Yeah, let me get my wrench now. Wonder what I did with that. Okay. Let's see if that is started in there. Wrong end. I think so. We'll go real gentle. Okay, if one is in, let's try the other one. Now it has to go through the oil thing and then back into the back where it has to catch the hole back there. I think it's catching. Okay, I had my film, or my battery went dead on the camera, so let's finish putting this on. I'm using my bare hands because I just warmed them up. Got this heater running right next to the electric heater fan running right next to me, and I warmed them up just enough to maybe get this on before they freeze. Coming up tight. Not tight yet, but coming there. I wonder if it has any particular lineup type issues. That one's on. Now we'll take this one and we'll give them both a little extra. Hate to do it much as they strip. So I'll do that after I So it's on right now, except for the bottom here. I have to put on the thing. I ordered the starter and the solenoid the same time, although different places. And starter came, this is through Amazon. The starter came within like 4 days over the Christmas rush. And the solenoid, which you'd think would, and it had said on the net that it would be here by 31st, this is the 1st, by yesterday, or by Friday, today I guess. But then they said no, it's going to be here for 2 weeks.